Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for at the beach theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you all the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay guys, the first one, you can choose all these hairstyles. Okay, for this hairstyle, you can choose no bangs and you're going to color it dark brown. And then the next one, we're going to go to this top area and I'm going to wear the butterfly top, this one, and you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, the next one, I'm going to choose this top, and again you're going to apply the same pattern for the first selection. Okay, the next one guys, we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear one of the currency items. Okay, you're going to choose this dress and you're going to apply the same pattern for the first selection, and for the second selection you're going to apply white color for the ribbon as well. And then I'm going to change the toggle. I'm just going to choose the skirt only. Okay, and then I'm going to combine it with the flower from the petal update, this one. And then I'm going to color it blue for the leaves. And then for the rose, I'm just going to apply the same pattern. Okay, for the first rose and then the second rose. And for the small flower, I'm just going to apply white color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to choose this pink bow heel. And then I'm going to apply the same pattern for all selection. Okay, like this guys. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to this area and choose this accessory and also this one, but I'm going to color it white. Okay, and then I'm going to put more accessories. I'm going to go to this area and wear this item, also this one. And I'm going to choose this eyeglass. Okay, then we're going to change the toggle to above head. Okay, and for the accessory, I'm going to color it blue. I'm just going to apply the same pattern like this for all of the selection, so it can match with my outfit. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this bag. I'm going to color it white for the first, for the first selection, color it white. And the second selection, you're going to color it blue. Okay, it will create something like this. And I'm going to choose this flower as well and color it white for the first selection, and then the second selection you're going to color it blue. Okay, and the last one, we're going to choose these item. Wait, yeah, you can choose this item, and then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.